Let's take a look at the ICP. With my custom indicator set, we're more than okay to try open long position, guys. This one, BTC. Now, so we get a reaction, pretty good reaction on some potential negotiation between the Lebanon and Israel, and the guild all days was in its own 2017 when BTC don't give a F words about the geopolitics. But now, every single time, every single news, the BTC react up and down, up and down. We trade not a price action. We just have to track the news. It's kind of mind-blowing. And it's kind of absolutely disgusting. So there's no decentralization. So now everything totally controlled. What I wish to see for the BTC, just a few words about BTC before I dive into ICP entries. So honestly, here on a 1 hour time frame, I wish to see the drop and the sweep there. The previous day low, this one, 69, and the test this block again. I don't know, maybe even this liquidity pool. This is more attractive personally for me, this one. So this is going to be my target I wish to see, and this is going to be the target where I probably will try open long position with a stop loss on the like 66.53. Now a lot of liquidation. So the heat map, you can open the on CoinGlass, double check. There's a lot of liquidity. For today, just for intraday, maybe when I'm gonna post this video, we already reached that target. This is a previous day high. What I wish to see the sweep, maybe on Asia session tonight, right? And drop. Because usually when we got like impulse, this is a sideways, we can form that 1, 2, 3 rise pattern. This is just a local one. If we not see some news, again, good or bad, if we talk about it, just a price action. I wish to see the sweep today, the third day. So before the weekend, I wish to see this one, 73, 73, 200, for example, and drop to the previous day low and to the liquidity pool. That's why I add my alert here for potential short position. So maybe we're going to even bump to 73, 656. This channel is still in play. And of course, this is like a wedge, and we have to like trade it here and crash it down to the 53. Maybe, we will see. ICP. So the zone absolutely, guys, is still the same. I'm waiting this order block. I'm waiting this order block for the entry. What is good news here? Finally, we can see on a 12-time frame, the take profit indicator start curve up. It's $1.63 the buy line. That's why we stuck just in the range. I wish to see today, I don't think so. We're going to pump to $2.68 or even $2.80 to that order block, but we're stuck between the order blocks. If we will, it's going to be the good entry for the short, I guess. So I'm going to add alert here also about the previous day high. So I will be not surprised, guys, if let me show you, if by end of the weekend, we can see something like this one, even the sweep. And after that, on the Monday or on a Sunday, Donald Trump gonna say something again. Absolutely doesn't matter what he's gonna say, but it gonna affect the market at all. So this is a zone where I will try to open some short position. The stop loss is gonna be here. I will be more than happy to get a stop loss if the ICP go into the high targets. To open trade now, I don't know where to add a. If you would like to open the short position, so the stop loss should be over the previous day high. So it could be like 5%, second leverage, 10% against the, so 10% against the 32. I don't think so is a good entry, guys. That's why I waited this order block like a test for the short or potential short position. This order block, for me personally, it's like $2.01 and then $2.11. It's for the longs. I wish to see this sweep, liquidity 215, alerts added, test, and reaction. If not, we can drop even to the buy line. Buy line on the daily now $1.80. I hope we will not drop that low, but it's possible on some Donald Trump show. All right, 4 hours in frame, guys. Now I don't see any setup, for now. We just stuck between the previous day high, previous day low. We're just in the middle. So there is no setup to open trade. That's why only here reaction short, only here reaction long. 1 hour time frame, the same story, guys. So we tested a New York midnight, $2.46, and the road can be open to $2.30 or $2.46. So we're just in the range. So better don't touch it. Better don't touch it. Take profit at show to trade on, sell, buy back on a 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, sell. Let's add alerts to take profit from that sales. Of course, we can see one more sale, one more sale, one more sale. But this is what I would like to see the take profit signal around here and open trade. All right, let's take a look at the AZ direction. This is a neutral zone, 4 hour time frame, so I skip it. So it's not accumulation, I skip it. 12 hour time frame, this is not accumulation, so I skip it. That's why, once again, this is a short, this is a long. Direction, no accumulation, no distribution yet. What is only good things here? The daily. So daily, we've been here in accumulation zone. Here's accumulation based on direction indicator. Now we're neutral on ADZ, so we can close. And no signal to sell. Since the last signal to buy in February, at the beginning of February. That's why I wish to see just a range, one more in April. And the target is going to be here, over than $5. Done. Now let's take a look at the money power and take profit. I already showed. And the market mood, guys. I would like to check. Market mood, to direction we can close. Money power, guys. No money inflow. 4 hour time frame, the whales fix some intraday trades. 4 hour time frame, it's A3. 12 time frame, around A3. No money outflow. So I think, once again, guys, pretty simple setup. Order block, order block. I think at the test of this order block, we're going to see the money outflow. Now, no A3 yet. The daily, we almost at the top, but we're not so far from the money inflow. So the money inflow was here 214. Now we're 253. So honestly, I wish to see this move. This is going to be much, much better, just to be honest. So this is 2 setups. What I'm looking for. One, a notification, second one. I'll recommend you add the same notification and add the same notification and alerts with my customer care set. So if you would like to trade it, just write me the DM. Link will be on the description below. Write in the comment what you think about ICP now. And don't forget, Joe Montego channel. See you next time.